Jane Gutierrez update tonight, guys. So, ito yung ganap ni Jane Gutierrez plus Sokmed update ni Miss Janine Gutierrez, guys. By the way, guys, yung makita yung pictures and videos ito. It's credit to the rightful owner contain Jane Gutierrez update lang po. So, ito yung Sokmed update niya, guys. So, ayan yung caption niya. Summer in San Francisco. Thank you, Sisi, for always being Game 2 plus 1 LMAX. And thanks to Yana Katag and for being the best Bay Area local tour and cemetery tour guide. See you again, guys. Back to work. So, ayan. Ito na yung pinost naman niya. Again, back to work na nga. So, ito yung ganap niya tonight at Gucci. As they say, the higher the hill, the closer to Gucci. Added some prep to my step for the Gucci page store opening at Greenbelt 4. So, ayun yung caption niya, guys. So, ayun lang, guys. Content Jane Gutierrez update lang po. So, ayun lang.